Welcome back to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyles. Today I have this beautiful plant here. Let me make it clear for you to see it well. This plant here is an insulin plant. As you can see, this is an insulin plant. I'm going to talk about it. Yes, so let's keep watching. So I'm talking about the insulin plant. When you hear the name, you know that actually you know what I'm talking about. This insulin plant is used to treat diabetes. Yes, those suffering from diabetes. This is the powerful remedy. The leaves, upon all the leaves, this plant, that's why the name even suggests insulin plant. You know that the insulin disorder brings about what? Diabetes. So once there's a plant which will balance your insulin and how the production of insulin is being coordinated, then you know that diabetes is gone, or you say bye bye to it. Yeah. So how am I going to get the benefit from this? I will recommend you get the leaves and dry them. Once you dry the leaves, yes, so this is the leaf. Once you get the leaf, you are going to dry it. So after drying it, the leaves, we are going to make a decoction, or you can make a powder form of it. Mostly I prefer the powder form because the powder will keep long and then it will stay long. So you dry it, you dry the leaves and then you pound it to get a powdery form, and then you filter it. Once you filter and then put it in a container, early in the morning you take a teaspoon and then put it in warm water. Once you put it in warm water, you then take it before food. In the evening, after eat early in the evening, eat for about 4 hours before going to bed. So after eating, after 1 hour, you take a tea, warm water, and then put a teaspoon in the warm water and then you take it. Please eat early so that you get a lot of food for digestion and also stabilize your insulin level for digestion and all those stuff to be faster and easier. So the next benefits I'm talking about for this plant is also those with heart disease and heart problem. Some people, they have heart problem, high pulse, and those with low pulse. Yes, so high blood pressure and the low blood pressure. The low blood pressure is very dangerous and it can kill you earlier than the high blood pressure. The low blood pressure kills you without a notice. Yes, but the high one, it brings a notice. So to stabilize and bring up your blood pressure when you have low blood pressure, or to stabilize your blood pressure, a person with high blood pressure, if you want to stabilize it, you just get the insulin leaf. For this one, you can just blend the raw leaves, that is the fresh leaf, and then take it every morning and evening, or you can make a powder and repeat the same dosage for the diabetes patient. So for high blood pressure and low blood pressure, you can depend on this plant. This insulin plant is very powerful, and you can also use it for spiritual things. You can also use this plant for spiritual things. Those people who are searching for people to employ, but they want the right person who can take care of their business. There are people when you employ, they are come to destroy your business for you. But if you want the right person who can handle your business very well, maybe you are traveling outside the country, you want to handle your business to someone, you can confirm from this plant. That is why today I'm not talking about the spiritual benefits, so I'll do the spiritual benefits in the next video or videos to come. That's why I want you to subscribe to the channel so that when I do any video about it, you'll be notified. So I'm going to do another video about the spiritual side of this plant. Today I'm talking about the physical benefit, that is the diabetes, and then what? The high blood and low blood. Yes, in this video I'm not doing that is the spiritual benefit. I'm doing the physical benefit for it, health benefit, the health benefit of this insulin plant. So as I told you, if you want to you have a business you want to handle it, just subscribe. I will do a video on it definitely soon, and then upload, and then once you subscribe you get a notification about this video, and then you watch and know how to perform this spell or ritual to know who is the best to handle this business. And also, if you are traveling for a specific purpose and that purpose will succeed or not, you can use this leaf to also do it. And then this leaf also will give you a revelation about if the task you are going to perform will succeed or not. Or if you are starting a new business, if you want to know that it will succeed or it will collapse, this leaf is also capable of what? Helping you to know. So one thing you have to do is that there are things you have to add to this leaf and things to perform to know it. The reason why I'm not opening up everything is that I don't want the video to be long, and also that's not the subject, but the subject is the health benefit of this insulin plant. That's why the topic tells that the health benefit of this insulin plant. So the health benefit, I just want to add extra one, and then also if you want to boost your energy for the day, my men, if you want to boost your energy for the day, make a decoction from this, or make a pure blending of the fresh leaf, and then add some water, and then filter, and then take it 1 hour 30 minutes before going to the job. Yes, you know what I'm talking about. You are going to travel a long journey. It's not a short journey. You are going to travel a long journey, and also boost your libido and enhance it very well. Those with low sperm count, they can also depend on this plant to boost or increase their sperm production for production or fertilization. Because some people, they can go a long journey but they are not able to fertilize the egg. It's not good. Just do a lot of blending of this leaf, and you are done. Take it, let it be your tea. Once you are done, it's not bitter. It will help you to also what? Give birth or produce viable sperms to also what? Give birth. So subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of leaves and herbs to be taught on this channel. Subscribe, and then you get a lot of videos about herbs, plants, and then anything that is plant or let me say plant bark, plant roots, plant leaves, herbs, whatever you get on this channel. Plant lifestyles. Subscribe, share the videos, like the videos, and comment. I'll see you in the next video because you have subscribed, and you too will see me in the next video. Though I can't see you, but you will see me in the next video because of your subscription. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Yeah, this is the African mosquito plant. Yes, it's a parasite plant that feed on another plant. You see, this is the plant, the rare plant, and you see, as you can see, it is on it as a parasite. So this is a parasite plant. As you can see, it joins at a point of this plant, different leaves all together with this mosquito plant. Is very beneficial. You use it to treat a lot of ailments. You can use it spiritually. It has a spiritual powerful. This mosquito is a powerful plant. Yes, it is used as detoxit. We use it to detox our blood. We use it to anything that is poisonous. You can detox it, blend it, the leaf, and take it, and it will detox your blood. It also boosts your blood volume. A video about the details video about this, subscribe to the channel and enter into my channel for the video about this African mosquito. As you can see, there are some leaves where the ants are around it. You can see the ants. Yes, this the video that help, that kind of leaves that the ant has covered, it has a powerful spiritual use. You can use it to protect yourself from evil spirit and also protect yourself from any kind of disease that comes spiritually. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and more extensive video about this. Thank you for watching.